Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install new dynamic island feature on your any Galaxy device. And this is absolutely free. So let's begin. Okay guys, first you have to download this app on your Galaxy device. This app download link available on description. After download, simply tap and open. After open, set permission first. After set permission, guys, look at this. First, set your dynamic island position according to your notch. Now, look at this. I set my dynamic island position. Simply tap on next step. And in this app, look at these three options: mini capsule event, dynamic cards and cards. Okay guys, before start, simply go to setting, go to capsule setting again and go to setup screen corner radius. Guys, set screen corner radius at least 50 to 60%. Now simply tap and save and look at this mini capsule direction. First, simply set center. For now, go back and now simply go to mini capsule event and look at these many mini capsule options like charging started, charging stop. But guys, remember, you only turn on any one option from these because this is free version. If you want to set multiple options, then unlock pro version. Or guys, you enable player control, then look at these many options of music player. Simply enable this music player and first set permission. Now look at this, you also set music player colors and button type and album cover shape. Simply enable rotate album option and now save, and if I play any song, look at this. Now guys, look at this navbar feature also enable on my device. Then simply go to setting, go to lock screen, go to navbar and disable media player from navbar. Now look at this dynamic island media player on your Galaxy device. So look at this charging started. I enable this charging started option. Now go back. Now go to dynamic card. You also set any one option from dynamic card. Now look at this flashlight control. You also set player control, volume control, charging indicator. Now simply go back and go to cards. This is hidden cards. Simply tap on plus button. After tap plus button, look at these three options: shortcut slider, barcode. Simply tap on slider. Guys, you set three type of slider: volume, brightness and flashlight slider. Simply tap and choose any one. Now look at this slider style. You also set Samsung slider style from this app or stock Android 15 and stock Android 16 slider type. For now, I select Android 16 latest slider style, and you also set colors like this. And you also add extra toggle type like this on your dynamic island. Or you also disable this option like this. And guys, remember, enable vibration feedback for best experience. simply tap and save. Now go back. Now go again setting and go to capsule setting. And guys, look at this. You also set animation type. Look at this, like a fruit. For now, I set like a fruit. Now I turn on flashlight. Look at this fruit animation. Now I set robot animation. Look at this difference. And turn on show dynamic card on lock screen. Now our setting complete. Simply go back. Now let me show you first charging slider. Look at this charging slider. New charging slider enable on your Galaxy device. If you turn on your flash, look at this. Now I plug my device on charge. Look at this dynamic island mini capsule. Guys, this dynamic island also work on lock screen. Now let me show you hidden card. Simply tap and look at this volume slider. So guys, you also enable new dynamic island on your any Galaxy device. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.